Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cybersecurity. What is it, why does it matter, and how does it impact our daily lives? Cybersecurity, at its core, is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These cyberattacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. In our increasingly digital world, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With the rise of the internet, smartphones, and online transactions, the need to safeguard our digital information has become crucial. Cyberattacks can result in the loss of important data, money, and can compromise personal safety. Cyber threats come in many forms. Malware or malicious software includes viruses and ransomware. Phishing attacks trick users into divulging sensitive information. And then there are denial-of-service attacks, which overwhelm systems to make them inoperable. To combat these threats, various cybersecurity measures are employed. These include firewalls, antivirus software, intrusion detection systems, and encryption. It's a constant battle of staying one step ahead of cybercriminals. Cybersecurity isn't just for businesses and governments. Personal cybersecurity is equally important. Simple practices like using strong passwords, being aware of the links you click, and keeping your software up to date can significantly reduce your vulnerability to cyber attacks. In conclusion, cybersecurity is an essential field that affects all aspects of our digital lives. From protecting personal data to securing national infrastructure, its importance cannot be overstated. Stay safe online and keep your digital life secure.